mi gente, guys, we're getting ready to hop on the actual ferry. We're on the Long Island side, Orient Point. So we're taking the Orient Point ferry. We're going to cross over the Long Island Sound to Connecticut. We're going to London, I think it's London, I'm not 100% sure, but London, Connecticut, because we have to go to Mystic, Connecticut, which is about maybe 20 minutes to a half an hour ride from from London, Connecticut. So guys, listen, we're going to a Daikin HVAC event. I really don't know much about it, but what I do know is we're going to talk about manufacturing, we're going to talk about Daikin, the history of Daikin, and we're going to talk about business, which is like the biggest one for me because I love business. Who don't like making money, papa? And that's right, that's what I'm talking about. So guys, this is what it takes to be the HVAC papi. This is what it takes to be a professional. This is what it takes to be an entrepreneur, specifically in the HVAC world. So guys, listen, it's about networking, meeting new people, and learning and educating yourself. So mi gente, this is what it takes. First, we're late to the party because we're supposed to be at a dinner party, and we're late. We're late, that's all I gotta say. I am pissed off. I ain't gonna point fingers on nobody no more because it doesn't even matter at this point. But what matters is we get there safely, we get there on time, or at least we can make part of the time because we are late for the dinner party and I like to eat. But mi gente, stay tuned because I think you guys are gonna like this one. And this is what it's about, baby. It's about education, and I love education. Are you ready, mi gente? Oh, I'm ready, baby. I'm ready to hop on this fucking ferry and let's get down to the dinner party. Wepa! Oh, mi gente, guys, we're on the ferry, baby. It's a little chilly outside, it's a little damp, it's raining. It's what it takes to make it to the actual event, guys. So it's actually a long day event. What do I mean? I had to wake up extra early, had breakfast, can't miss breakfast, right? And then we have to go to work, gotta take care of business, make some phone calls. Then we gotta go all the way from Baldwin, Long Island, if you guys could Google in the maps, all the way to Orient Point here on Long Island, and then we have to take this ferry all the way down to Connecticut, and not only from Connecticut, we get to London, Connecticut, then we gotta go to Mystic, Connecticut, and not only will we get to Mystic, Connecticut, we're late to the dinner party, and it's in another location. So mi gente, it's been a long day, a long journey, but you know the best thing about this whole process though, regardless, because you have to look at the good, bad, and the ugly, the good thing is, dinner is gonna be served by the time we get there, and I'm looking forward to it because, man, Lord knows I'm hungry. Lord knows I've been waiting. I've been fucking ate something on the way something quickly. But the great thing about, even after dinner, we get to meet some great people. But tomorrow, I'm gonna be up and early and ready to get down and busy to meet all those beautiful people out there at the Daikin event. And mi gente, you guys are gonna get the exclusive content right here with the HVAC Papi here with New York Boiler and Air Conditioning Repair. Oh, and with Daikin. Wepa! What's happening, mi gente, guys? Well, we finally made it to the dinner party. We got some cool people over here. I haven't gotten quite to meet them just yet. But listen, I got a little late to the party. We had a crazy journey to get here. All this crazy traffic and weather. But the good thing is, we're here, baby. So listen, I'm looking forward to the event tomorrow. Hey, if you guys happen to be here in Mystic, Connecticut, come on down here, meet the HVAC Papi, the whole crew, the whole team, baby. You ready, baby? Wepa! I love it. This is what I'm talking about, mi gente. Listen, I love it because this, I don't know about you guys, if you guys see it that way, but I look at it like we're a tight community, like my brothers, my sisters. I love it. So I have a brother I never met from Atlanta. Westchester, Brooklyn. I love it. Listen, look, don't we look alike? Don't we look alike?
That's rural. Oil is a four-letter word, right?
Let me tell you, oil makes fucking gas. Oil makes fucking gas.
What's up, Frank? Come on down. We're huddling. No, I'm glad you invited me. Thank you. I met some cool people, like my new brothers. I got brothers and sisters. And, now you're making me an uncle. I'm a deal. Oh, man. This is a
shot.
Yo, he's my favorite Alabama guy.
Alabama?
The only Alabama guy you know.
I like this guy, man.
No. Oh, yes. He's not from Alabama. He's from Georgia.
ATL, Alabama.
Yo, you guys get past his father and son. I don't hear
that's what I'm saying. There's bush and there's shrub.
in Alabama, how do they say HVAC? HVAC. Bob?
Oh, damn.
Oh, okay, no. How do they say?
Like Forrest Gump.
Oh, like HVAC Bobby?
I don't know what love is.
Hey, what brings you to this neck of the woods of Alabama? Oh, nice. Tell everybody out there a little bit about you, how you got into the business.
Oh my gosh, I was 25 and somebody said, hey, how about this heating air business? I'm like, what? Mike Bush is not sexy.
You make it sexy.
It is
You make it sexy.
So we make money.
That's right. That's sexy right there. The money, Papa.
What are we here for?
About the money. That's right. I love it. Mi gente, this is what I'm talking about. Listen, it's like an exclusive club over here. Where you at? Listen, you can start joining, looking for an HVAC job. You want to be in this club. This is a tight club. This is a family. Wepa. Mi gente, you ready, baby? That's right. The HVAC Bobby's over here at the Daikin event here in Mystic, Connecticut. Let me tell you, I want all my trade brothers and sisters. We over here. We talking about heat, baby. We talking about we talking about business. We talking about how to make that money, Papa. You ready? Yo, tell everybody there where you from. You from Jersey, you said, right?
We're from Jersey. We represent an elite service group from back in Jersey. We'll take care of you. You need any sort of elite service, or HVAC needs whatsoever. Take care of you.
So if anybody in Jersey, you gotta give them the name, the number, email,
Elite service group. You call up my boy Don Firm back and take care of you. Any of your HVAC needs whatsoever. Talk about it.
Woo-wee! And that's a wepa. I'm here.
This is the guy right here. This is the man himself right here.
George right here. The Godfather.
Yeah.
Godfather. El Padrino. El Padrino. Oh, bro.
I met you down in Florida last year. We were with Fat Cheeto.
Yeah. Yo, my wife is looking. Don't say no. Don't say no.
This guy's a beast when it comes to everything.
Man is a marketing man. I already did 5 minutes with this guy.
I have a video with him. Last year we were in Orlando and we were with Fat Cheeto. We were doing something crazy as usual.
Big shout out to Fat Cheeto. You watching? Wepa.
Catch me 2050. I'll be wheeling him around the conventions.
At 2050, I'll be retiring. That's okay, but this guy over here, he's taking over. He's the future. He's the star.
Remember that face.
Remember that.
Remember that face. You'll be seeing it in just a few years on the cover of a magazine.
Yeah.
What magazine are we talking about here?
The HVAC one.
Oh, HVAC for ladies? Yeah. I like that. Guys, if you guys know anything about me, I go by the Wepa. The count of 3 Wepa. 1, 2, 3, Wepa! Wepa! Hey, mi gente, guys, we had the Daikin Exchange here in the Northeast. Check it out. That's right, mi gente. This is what I'm talking about. We networking and we getting educated. So right now, we just finished wrapping up at Salon B. That's right. So we're talking about reach, about ductless units, air conditioning units, and now we got this new law that a lot of people don't even know about, especially in New York and Long Island. I don't know if you guys know. So if you guys are watching from New York, you should definitely hear what I'm trying to tell you right now. Right now, you have an opportunity to make money. What do I mean? Meaning that right now, they passed a law this past year that you can actually make your garage into a living space. So what does that mean? That means you can make money, Papa. That's right. So right now, we're talking about how to make those conversions from like a garage into a man cave, into a living space, and using Daikin or mini splits or heat pumps. It doesn't matter. Guys, this is what it's about, baby. It's about networking, educating, and making this money. So right now, we just finished wrapping up the first salon, the first oh my God, I got so much going on. I'm getting a brain fart right now. We just finished talking about, the reach, about where can you actually put these mini splits at. So now we're gonna go to Salon A, which is talking about how to make money, Papa. That's what I'm talking about, making that money. That's what it's all about, right? Because not only because we know some things about, a few things here and there, right? We know about air conditioning, which I hope you do. I know you guys know about the tools, but a lot of things that people don't know about is how to convert this shit and make money. So right now, we're about to go to Salon B. Hey, guys, come on down, baby. Let's get it. Wepa.
It's been exciting and day.
Lights, camera, action. Oh, mi gente, guys. All right, mi gente. It's action, baby.
What'd you say? You wanted that?
See, exactly. All right, guys, man, this is already the telling of the actual event, guys. As you guys can see, I'm a little tired, taking care of some issues that we're having back home.
The truck broke down. Of course, I'm in the middle of a trade show, an event here with Daikin. I'm in another state. I'm in Mystic, Connecticut. I'm about 2.5, 3 hours away. And what am I gonna do? The good thing is I have a network of people that have different businesses. I have a friend of mine, his name happens to be Louis. Big shout out to Louis from Broadway Towing in Freeport. And yeah, he's gonna go pick up my guys. We have another truck, so hey, this is the grind don't stop. So he has to take the actual box truck to my mechanic, so it could be worked on tomorrow morning. In the meanwhile, we're going to the shop. Thank God, it's in the same town that my shop is at. He's gonna drop my other tech to my shop, pick up the keys, pick up the other truck. While the truck driver is leaving the truck at the shop, in the mechanic shop, and my other tech is gonna be there waiting for him, and they're gonna swap out all the tools from the other truck into the spare truck and go continue to do service calls. Today happens to be the first cold snap of the season. It snowed a little bit today in New York, so it is what it is. Am I gonna sit and bitch about it, crying? No. What I'm gonna do? I can't do nothing. So I told him, listen, we gotta figure it out. So go get the spare truck. The other truck is gonna be in the shop tomorrow. They're gonna fix it. It is what it is. What are you gonna do? The good thing is I have another truck, because if it wasn't because I had a spare truck, then we'd be asked out. So it's always good to have an extra spare truck, because for situations like this. So it is what it is. I'm a little tired. It's about 6 o'clock. We have a dinner party 6:30, and we're gonna wrap up the event. But guys, regardless I'm at that event, regardless where I'm at, things gotta get done. Logistics has to get done. Meaning, like, how I'm gonna fix it remotely, and this is what it is. Thank God that I have my guys. Thank God that I have a good network of friends that have businesses. In this case, a towing business. My mom is back home dealing with the clients while I'm at this event. Sorry, having a long day. So yeah, so my mom is taking care of the clients and doing all the calls and taking care of things while I'm here at the event, hanging out with Daikin and the guys. But it's all fun and games. Once this event is over, I'm gonna get some rest and either leave tonight or tomorrow morning. I haven't decided yet, but I might have to leave early because I have to deal with these issues. And tomorrow we got a list of calls that we got to do. So that's the hustle and bustle of being an entrepreneur and being an HVAC owner and operator. So if it's anything you're gonna learn from me today, is you got to figure it out. All right, mi gente? Stay tuned for the dinner party. Wepa!
That's all I know. Let's drop a beat. Give it up for my favorite guy ever. Give it up. Oh my goodness. You're making me want to learn stuff, dude.
It's always a part with the HVAC classic rapper.
I couldn't help it.
But a sad and it's sweet, and I knew it complete when I wore a younger man's clothes. Oh, la da 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 da.
It's always a part with the HVAC classic rapper. Wow. 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 I just cannot believe the last couple of days how it went down. Like, talk about excitement. Talk about energy, talk about meeting great people, phenomenal people, and talk about Daikin. I gotta say, I had an incredible time. I wanna say thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to the whole team, the whole Daikin team. Thank you to all the people that showed up, that support this community. Thank you to all the contractors, everybody, doesn't matter, even from the guys who's taking out the garbage, even from all the people that are taking out the food, the drinks, the bartenders, the hostess, everybody everybody plays a part in this whole event. And I want to say thank you for the experience, a great experience. It's an experience I'll definitely never forget. Definitely, whoever picked out that band, the Piano Savage, big shout out to Piano Savage or Savages, I don't know what it is, but it's not going to be the first, it's not going to be the last, because there's going to be many more. Because let me tell you, that event was incredible. That performance, what a phenomenal. And the fact that we all come from different parts of life, different parts of the country, different cities, and wherever we come from, that we have diversity. And regardless how diverse we are, because right now what's trending, what's going on, all this negative energy, and they're trying to separate us. But in that moment, we're one. One. That's right. One. We're one. And to me, I think that's such a huge impact, not only in the industry, in the world, because we need more of that. We need more love. We need more energy, great energy. We need more positivity in not only in our community, but in the world. And it's just something that it's what I feel is I take a big pride on, is that I could use HVAC to show the world that we still have love. We still have good people in this world, and we have great people in this community. So HVAC is going to help turn the world into a better place. So I just think that that's a great thing to be a part of. I love that. Like, I never met these people. It's the first time I meet them, and I felt love. I felt energy. I felt like they embraced me, and they embraced me into their home. And that's not something that anybody does. And that thing that Daikin did was magic. So guys, I'm eager to go to the next event for Daikin. I'm excited for the next one. I can't wait for the next one, and other events too, because not just the Daikin event, any other events that has to do with HVAC, because we all get, it's just one big family, but it's also a small family, small niche. So we all get to know each other, we know of each other, and it's important, because the only way we're going to get better in this world, the only way we're going to get better in the HVAC community, the only way we're going to get better as a community is by working as a team. Everybody plays a part. I don't give a shit how small you think you are. Or people say, oh, he just takes out the garbage. Oh, he just takes out the food. No, everybody plays a big part. We need those people, and we need you. So guys, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. I love you guys. HVAC Papi loves you. Don't ever forget that. And guys, no matter what it is, I will always support you guys. So mi gente, until next time, wepa! Woo!
I know what you're thinking, and yes, it does need a sexy drum break. Let's go.